What if you could fly a GPS drone with obstacle avoidance, dual cameras, and 4K aerial photography, all in a compact foldable design? Today on Caring Guy, we're checking out the K811 MAX Drone, a professional-style drone that promises 4K aerial video, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, GPS return to home, and smart tracking features. But is this drone actually good for beginners and content creators, or is it just another budget drone with big marketing claims? Let's power it up and see what this drone can really do. First, let's talk about the design. The K811 MAX Drone has a foldable and portable body, which makes it easy to carry in a backpack when traveling. When folded, it measures around 14 by 8 centimeters, but once unfolded, it expands to about 28.5 by 26 centimeters, giving it better stability during flight. The drone is built using a combination of plastic, metal, and electronic components, keeping it lightweight while still feeling durable. And the bright LED lights on the arms not only look cool, but also help you track the drone during evening flights. Now let's talk about the most exciting feature, the camera system. The K811 MAX Drone comes with a 4K high-definition camera designed for capturing aerial photos and videos with impressive detail. But what makes this drone even more interesting is the dual camera setup. This allows you to switch between forward-facing landscape shots and downward aerial views. The front camera can also be remotely adjusted up to 90 degrees, giving you more flexibility while recording. For creative shots, the drone even supports 50 times zoom, helping you capture distant scenery from the sky. One of the most important features in modern drones is GPS positioning, and the K811 MAX Drone includes several smart GPS functions. These include one-key return to home, automatic return when signal is lost, and low battery auto return. So if the drone loses connection or the battery gets low, it will automatically fly back to its starting point. This feature is extremely helpful, especially for beginners who are still learning to control drones. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Another impressive feature is the intelligent obstacle avoidance system. The drone uses sensors to detect obstacles in multiple directions, helping prevent crashes while flying. This means the drone can identify objects like trees, walls, or buildings and adjust its path to avoid collisions. For new pilots, this adds extra safety and confidence during flight. Brushless motor performance. The K811 MAX Drone uses 1503 brushless motors, which offer several advantages compared to standard motors. These include stronger flight power, better efficiency, longer motor lifespan, quieter operation. Brushless motors are usually found in more advanced drones, so this is a great feature for a drone in this category. Now let's talk about performance. The drone is powered by a 3.7-volt 2000 mAh lithium battery, giving it about 15 minutes of flight time on a full charge. Charging takes around 60 minutes using a USB cable. The drone also offers a flight distance of about 500 meters, which is impressive for a compact, foldable drone. That gives you plenty of space to capture wide aerial shots and cinematic landscapes. Smart flight features. The drone includes many intelligent flight features that make flying easier and more fun. Some of the highlights include one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode for easier control, gesture, photo, and video recording, Follow Me tracking mode, surround orbit shooting, waypoint flight planning, and VR mode for immersive flying. There's also optical flow visual hovering, which helps the drone stay stable while capturing smoother footage. Remote control and app features. The drone operates using a 2.4 GHz remote controller, which supports 4 control channels. You can also connect your smartphone through the drone's app, allowing you to see the live camera feed while flying. The app includes additional features like video recording, photo capture, lens switching, MV video creation, and real-time image transmission. This makes the drone even more useful for content creators and travel vloggers. Pros and cons. Let's quickly summarize the pros and cons. Pros: 4K dual camera system, GPS positioning with auto return, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, brushless motors for better performance, foldable and portable design, smart flight features like Follow Me and Waypoint mode, up to 500-meter flight distance. Cons: flight time is limited to about 15 minutes, requires AA batteries for the remote controller, camera quality may not match high-end professional drones. So, is the K811 MAX Drone worth buying? If you're looking for a portable drone with GPS, obstacle avoidance, and 4K aerial photography, this drone offers a lot of features for its category. It's especially great for beginners, travelers, and drone enthusiasts who want to explore aerial photography without spending a fortune. Overall, the K811 MAX Drone is a solid option if you want smart features, stable flight, and creative aerial shots in one compact package. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts about the K811 MAX Drone, and subscribe to Caring Guy for more drone reviews, tech gadgets, and cool innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.